Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering. Today, I will cover types of fuel. First of all, we will see that what is fuels. Fuels is nothing but we can say that it is dense repositories of energies that are consumed to provide energy services such as heating, transportation, and electrical generation. Even though most fuels ultimately get their energy from the sun, they are usually considered to be primary energy source. So now see here how many types of fuel are. So fuels are classified on the basis of their state into three categories. One is solid fuels, wood. Second one is liquid fuel. Third one is gaseous fuel. So you are seeing here in these slides, solid fuels are those fuels which is made from wood, coal, peat, dung, etc. Coke, charcoal. Liquid fuels are petroleum, diesel, gasoline, kerosene, LPG, coal tar, naphtha, ethanol. Gaseous fuels are, we can say that, natural gas, hydrogen, propane, methane, coal gas, water gas, blast furnace, gas coke, oven gas, CNG. CNG, that is called as compressed natural gas. So these are the types of fuel which is basis on their state. Ranking sequence of solids are wood, peat, lignite, bituminous coal, anthracite. So you are seeing here that lignite, this is also called as a brown coal. So in this slide you are seeing the classification of various type of the fuels: solid, liquid, gaseous. So solid, that will be our wood, coal, peat, dung, etc. Liquid fuels are our petroleum and gaseous fuels are our natural gas. Right? So that will be used in the form of, if solid we take, that is in the form of coke, charcoal, and in the form of the liquid it will be used either in the form of diesel, gasoline, kerosene, LPG, coal tar, naphtha, ethanol. And in case of our gaseous fuels, we use in the form of hydrogen, propane, methane, coal gas, water gas, blast furnace, coke oven gas, CNG. Now in this slide you are seeing that some properties of ideal fuel. So some properties of ideal fuel are, first properties are, an ideal fuel is readily available, an ideal fuel is cheap, an ideal fuel burns easily in the air at moderate rate. It releases a large amount of energy. It should not leave behind any undesirable substances which can be harmful to us. It should not affect the environment adversely. It should not affect the environment adversely. So these all the properties of ideal fuels. On the basis of their occurrence, fuels are classified into two categories. One is natural fuels, second one is artificial fuels. So natural fuels and artificial fuels, we will see that in this slide. Wood, coal, oil shale, it is come under our solid fuel. It is our naturally occurring, and artificially is our coal, charcoal, straw, briquettes. All these come under our artificial solid fuel. In natural fuels, liquid comes under petroleum, and artificially coal tar, shale oil, alcohols, etc. that comes under our artificial fuels, under liquid fuels. In gaseous fuels, naturally natural gas occurred, and artificially coal gas, producer gas, water gas, hydrogen, acetylene, blast furnace, oil gas, these comes under our artificial fuels. Okay, thank you for watching.